Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an kasngi. Umentri rang ba kajila konrad ki sang mau la plipat ba ya ka Culinary Cascade. Arajar arfnriu hawat slay. Kani ka Tamasa arsngi arfnyo bar arfrau leber kapen I kabam ka kolsha but kaput katem. Bar katmu ban kentiu ya ka Meghalaya kum ka jaka jengok kai bakerpang hakaliang kabam. Chief Minister Loong bakini ki festival Kilong kum ki investment ban penklanya ka dorjong ka jila om tang ka jingnut pisa ula pendaru e ka mission 1000 ban yakun persya e ka jinduna ba malnutrition hagi kena ka tamasa ka kentup ki cooking demo jingya kran pat ba jingya shimbenta ki pat ba bat kinong shna kam shna
In case you were thinking something else. Oh, products are very nice. Pakistanis. How is it doing? Well, so much.
Welcome to Culinary Cascade 2026. This year, we're stretching this Meghalaya's culinary system across the 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch, to establish that each sense spotlights different levels of practices, products, innovations, and practitioners from a thriving ecosystem. Most importantly, to make food a bridge for inclusivity for women, men, youth, different abled, founders, senior citizens, rural and urban and aspiring enterprises.
In tourism, I think one of the greatest efforts for tourism and for the government, again I keep saying this, I think since the time you were Honorable Tourism Minister, has been to really brand the state, create multiple brands, and through all of them provide opportunities to our people, whether it is our farmers, our entrepreneurs, our youth, our students. So this was the vision, and this continues to be the vision under your leadership, and we are trying to implement this vision to the best extent that is possible. So one such stream of that vision, one such stream of in achieving that vision is this Culinary Cascades Festival. This is a festival which is in its 3rd year now. This is the 3rd edition of the festival. Again, we take inspiration from your message that it is not about doing big things. It's about doing simple things, but doing them well and doing them consistently. So I think this Culinary Cascades Festival, this food festival, we started 2 years ago, and every year we continue to improve it. Every year we continue to make it better. Every year we continue to incorporate new ideas, new thought processes, new partners to make these events better and create more opportunities for our people.
This year, sir, what we are doing, this year, we are producing that product. We are making that product, and how are we making that product? The tomatoes are...
We are very bad at documenting. I'm not talking just about our state and the country as a whole. We are very, very bad at documenting. I would urge all our chefs, all our participants, whatever you do, if you can keep notes, if you can prepare stories, if you can have videos, capture them, convert them into documents and information that can be passed on or kept for future reference, or be converted into a small coffee table book or some kind of a report, that would really, again, give us more output in terms of the kind of investment and the efforts we're making. The results would be much more. So with these few words and suggestions, I once again would like to congratulate all the stakeholders and all the organizing committee members who have organized this. Look forward to a wonderful festival out here, and I wish each and every one of you the very best for this festival and the very best for your future.